Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the one-time boot menu on DELL Precision 5520. If you wish to enter the one-time boot menu, it is very simple. All you need to do is first shut your laptop down by either going through the system to do it or pressing and holding on the power button for long enough that all the lights on your laptop go off. So let's do that, and after that wait for several seconds, preferably up to half a minute, and later on you need to insert your device. If you want to boot from an external device or like from a Wi-Fi, I mean not Wi-Fi, from an Ethernet network, then you probably need to insert an adapter as well, from USB-C to Ethernet, then plug in the Ethernet cable and do all the stuff just so that you have the device that you want to boot from plugged in. Then press on the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard. When it starts loading, then you can release and you'll be here. If you're here, then everything went correctly and you don't need to worry about anything. You can just select the boot device right with the keyboard and you'll be good to go. Just click on enter, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.